Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zalfa Dana Natania. My ID student number is 44241219. I am from class 441D01. Today I will present a PPT entitled Say No to Smoking in Campus Area. Smoking on campus can have a negative impact on the health of those around you who don't smoke. People who smoke should be more concerned about their surroundings and the campus community so that they are not harmed, such as moving away from the campus area or not being in the environment they shall be in. Many campuses have taken the smoke-free university action, such as Indonesian Education University (UPI) and Indonesian University of UI. For example, the University of Indonesia (UI) is one of the universities that is persistent is maintaining a smoke-free campus. The university shall also provide signs warning of non-smoking area installed at several points. University must also be more assertive in the smoke-free campus movement, such as the prohibiting selling cigarettes in the campus canteen and bringing and providing education to students on how to reduce the amount of cigarettes they smoke per day. It's time to universities first and students to be able to show society as a campus without a cigarette smoke with the smoke-free university movement. The simple present tense is a tense that is used to talk about something general, something that always happens repeatedly, or a general truth. Simple present tense is the tense most often used every day. To recognize a sentence is simple present tense, there are several ways you can do it, one of which is that the sentence uses the basic form of the verb 1. Simple present tense is divided into two sentence patterns, namely verbal simple present and nominal simple present tense. Verbal simple present with verbal with verb. The s ending on the verb is only used on the subject he, she, and it. When adding the ending she or s, there are rules. The way to find out which word use the ending s and s is verbs that end in y and the letter before y is a vowel, then add negative s to the verb. Example sentence: Sonia says everything is going to be alright. Example verbal simple present. A. Verbal. Positive s ayu dewi. Verb 1 o and adverb. Positive s he, she, it. Verb 1 she, s or s o plus adverb. O and adverb is not mandatory. Example 1. I eat an apple every morning. 2. Every day he eats beef. 3. She runs so fast. 4. We swim every Sunday in that swimming pool. Nominal simple present. Nominal without verb. With to be, is, are. Example, I am student. She is beautiful. They are smart. Example, to be for subject I, to be is for subject he, she, it, to be are for subject I, you, they, we. Example, my mother is a teacher. They are not from the same class. Example, nominal simple present. Positive s, positive to be, I am, is, are. Adjective, noun, adverb. Anna, explain, I am a lawyer. Negative s, positive to be, am, is, are. Note, Anna, explain, I am not so strong. We are not in campus. Simple present tense formula. A sentence can be verbal or nominal, so what is called a predicate is not always a verb. In a verbal sentence, after the subject is followed by the verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject it will be accompanied by a non-verb which we usually know as an auxiliary verb or to be auxiliary verb. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject, positive verb, 1, she is, positive complement for positive sentence with verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject, positive auxiliary verb to be plus complement. That is explained for simple present tense formula. Characteristic of simple present tense sentence. 1. The predicate in a simple present tense sentence is in the form of a bare infinitive. The meaning of this form is that the third person verb in this sentence and is the letter she, as, or is. 2. If I am the form of a verbal sentence, there is a question sentence, then the word do or does must be added. Then I subject must be added. Meanwhile, nonverbal sentence begin with to be. I am, are, is. 3. In simple present tense sentence with a negative form, you need to add the words do not, don't, or does not, doesn't. If there is a verb that ends is s, is, it must be omitted. Simple present tense function. Express 1. Express emotion or feelings. To express expression or feelings, therefore, when you want to express expression and feelings through sentence, you can use simple present tense sentence. 2. Commands or instruction. To express order or instruction, so we often see order or instruction using simple present tense sentence. 3. The schedule event. The next function of the simple present tense sentence is to start an event that will be held in the more future. 4. General truth. Simple present tense sentence also have the function of expressing truth that is around us. 5. Repeat action. The function of the last simple present tense sentence is to show activity or activity carried out in everyday life. Uses of simple present tense. The difficult in determining whether a sentence is a present tense sentence is because you don't understand the event referred to in the simple present tense. Actually, it's quite simple. Grammars only needs to understand the simple present tense is a sentence that can be used in the following condition. 1. Recurring events. Recurring events are events that occur regularly or are habit. They are carried out usually marked with a time information. Example sentence: I eat 3 times a day. 2. General truth. Explain fact or general truth that cannot be denied. Example sentence: the sun rises from the east. Uses simple present tense. Expressing feelings, emotion, thoughts, or position. Explain or express our feelings through words. An example sentence is: I'm excited about this good news. This is very beautiful. 4. Give order or instruction. Explain the instruction for someone to do it. An example sentence is: pour sugar into the glass of water and stir it until they are mixed. 5. Future condition. States condition that will come with the time is already scheduled or close to now. An example sentence is: the birthday party starts from 7 p.m. Simple present tense pattern. Tense are part of a basic grammar. When studying tense, we will come across the term first person singular plural, second person singular plural, and third person singular plural. Actually, what constitutes first person, second person, and third person? First person singular. First person is the first person point of view, in this case referring to the speaker or writer. If it is the subject, my name is Hana, I live in East Jakarta. Example of a simple present tense sentence: if it this object, Anja sent me a letter. 2. First person plural. The pronouns used for the first person plural are we if it the subject, use if it the object, and our or ours if it shows ownership. However, us and our ours but mean we and use. So to know which one to use, you have to know the context of the sentence first. Example sentence as subject. We are from Bandung City. He tells about old house story. She is our daughter. Simple present tense patterns. 3. Second person. Second person is the point of view of a second person or someone we are talking to at the time. The pronoun used in the second person singular is you if as a subject, your or yours if to show ownership, just like we or ours. You, your, yours also means you singular or you plural. The way to find out is to understand the context of what is being discussed. Example sentence a subject. You are the best student in the class. Example sentence showing ownership. Is this your pencil, Andy? 4. Third person singular. The pronoun used in the third person singular is he, she, it. The situation that occurs is when we talk about someone who is not a present between us. Example sentence as subject. She is a banker. Example sentence as object. Don't scream in front of her face. Example sentence showing ownership. This is Anis. 5. Third person plural. The pronoun used in third person plural is they, them, their. The situation that occur in when talking about more than one person, two or more. Why is another present among us? Example sentence as object. They are from the same class. Example of sentence as object. I like that. When is present tense used? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. Apart from that, the simple present tense is also used in the conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1 sentence present followed by the simple future tense. In terms of names, the formula for this tense is not too complicated. The reason is we often use this tense in everyday life. Before diving deeper, it's better if we remember the structure of a sentence. So we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things. S, P, C. S subject, P predicate, C complement. However, there are only two things that are required, namely the subject and the predicate. Positive and negative simple present. Positive or affirmative simple present tense, just like a nominals, verbal sentence certainly have a positive form as we have discussed at the beginning. Simple present tense sentence example. I live in Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. Negative simple present tense. Well, especially for the negative sentence and question sentence, then use do, does, or do not, don't, and does not, doesn't. Example, I don't live in Bandung. She doesn't live in Bandung. Example of simple present tense sentence, positive sentence. They visit their grandparents on Sunday. She helped her parents with the housework. The restaurant served breakfast from 7 to 10 a.m. Example of simple present tense sentence, negative sentence. They do not keep their promise. The restaurant does not serve breakfast. The train does not arrive on time. Time words or adverb of time description in simple present tense. The description of time that we will discuss has another term which is the adverb of frequency. Actually, time words are not always present in every simple present tense sentence. However, sentences that use time words below are definitely included in the simple present tense. Biasanya, usually, selalu, always, jarang, seldom, sering, often, kadang-kadang, sometimes, tidak pernah, never, hampir tidak pernah, hardly never, setiap minggu, every week, setiap hari, every day, setiap bulan, every month. Conclusion. Simple present tense is a tense that states routine or recurring event, not even that are currently happening. Well, it should also be remembered That simple present tense uses basic verbs, would verb 1 and to be first form. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.